Greetings to all lovers of quality and stylish wristwatches. Today, I want to tell you about the Camel Trophy watch. The Camel Trophy automatic watch is a Swiss brand that creates high-quality and reliable watches for travel and expeditions. This men's watch has been previously used but is still in good condition. The watch case is made of steel and has a diameter of 35 millimeters, which makes it quite large and expressive on the hand. The glass of the watch is tempered, which provides reliable protection against scratches and damage. The bracelet is made of leather and is new, which gives the watch an elegant and stylish look. The watch mechanism is an automatic winding mechanism, which provides convenience and comfort in use. The watch has a 24-hour power reserve, which means it can run for 24 hours without winding. In addition, the watch is splash-proof, making it resistant to everyday use. The watch face is in excellent condition and has easy-to-read markings. Despite slight traces of wear, the watch still looks elegant and ready for everyday use. In general, the Camel Trophy automatic watch is an excellent choice for those who value reliability and comfort in use. They are suitable for lovers of travel and expeditions, as well as for those who are looking for a stylish and elegant watch for everyday life. Although they have been used before, they can still last a long time and become a reliable companion in travel and everyday life. Best wishes, your Citadel watch.